Welcome to our channel, where we explore important historical events in just 5 minutes or less. In this video, we'll be diving into some of the most significant moments in history and giving you a quick overview of what happened and why it matters. So sit back, relax, and let's learn about the past together. Palmyra, also known as the Bride of the Desert, was an ancient city located in present-day Syria. It was a major trading hub in the Roman Empire and was known for its rich culture and well-preserved ruins. The city was situated in an oasis in the Syrian desert and was an important stop along the Silk Road, the ancient trade route connecting the East and the West. Palmyra's history dates back to the Neolithic period, but it was during the 1st century AD that the city flourished under Roman rule. The city was renowned for its grand architecture, including an impressive colonnaded street, a grand theatre, and several temples dedicated to various gods and goddesses. The city's most famous structure is the Temple of Bel, a large temple dedicated to the god Bel. The temple was considered one of the most important religious sites in the Roman Empire, and it was considered a symbol of Palmyra's wealth and power. Palmyra's prosperity was also reflected in its art and culture. The city was known for its intricate mosaics, statues, and carvings, many of which were discovered by archaeologists in the 19th and 20th centuries. The city's art and architecture reflected a mix of different cultural influences, including Roman, Greek, and Eastern traditions. Palmyra's decline began in the 3rd century AD, and by the 7th century, the city was abandoned. The city's ruins were largely forgotten until the early 19th century, when European explorers rediscovered Palmyra. The city's ruins were excavated and restored, and Palmyra became a popular tourist destination. However, in 2015, the city was captured by ISIS, and many of its ancient ruins were destroyed. The group blew up the Temple of Bel, the Arch of Triumph, and other historical sites in the city, in the name of destroying what they considered idolatrous. The city was recaptured by government forces in 2017. And efforts are currently underway to restore and preserve what remains of Palmyra's rich history and heritage. Palmyra's ruins, although damaged, still offer a glimpse into the city's rich history and culture. Visitors can still see the remains of the colonnaded street, the Grand Theatre, and the partially restored Temple of Bel. The city's art and artifacts, including mosaics, statues, and carvings, are on display in the Palmyra Museum. Palmyra is considered one of the most significant archaeological sites in the Middle East, and its destruction by ISIS was a devastating loss for the world's cultural heritage. The city's rich history and culture offer a glimpse into the past and a reminder of the importance of preserving our shared cultural heritage for future generations. Palmyra is a symbol of rich history and culture. It is a reminder of how human civilizations have flourished and declined, and of how human ingenuity, creativity, and artistic expression can survive even in the most adverse conditions. The city's ruins, although damaged, still stand as a testament to the enduring power of human spirit and the importance of preserving our shared cultural heritage for future generations. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out our other videos.